Hello everyone, welcome to part 175 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So in this video we are going to work on the search functionality in Laravel 10. We are going to search by product name, code and even description as well. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. So we can see that we are already having this test field here, the search test field at the top of the website. Okay, so we are going to modify this one. I'm going to open the front header here. Front header header.blade.php file. I'm going to open that header.blade.php, this one. Okay, so here I'm going to search for the search, must be written here. Okay, it is search form. Okay, so we are going to update this form. We are going to add the action here, URL. Here we are going to add here the search products, search hyphen products, and we will add the method as get. Okay, because we want to show that search result at the top is that. Okay, so here also we are going to modify type test id this one, and name we will give their here name is search only. Okay, we will give here the search. We can give the search, or we can give here any other name. Query, we can give here the query as well. Query looks even better, I think. Query, okay, search query. Okay, like this query, whatever the query is. Okay, so here we can give the query as well. uh, so after this, the type is submit, that is fine. And now we are going to add its search route in web.php file. Here we will add before auth. Okay, here we are going to add search products. Here we are going to add the get route, uh, search products, and we are going to modify the uh, that listing function only. I think it's located inside product controller. It is the product controller, and we are going to modify that product controller listing function. Okay, so here we are having this condition: if category count is greater than 0, means for that specific URL, like this one is working like t-shirt. Okay, so it is checking this one, and we are going to add the another condition here. See, else condition is also there, but here one more condition we are going to add here, and that is based on this uh, the request. Okay, that the user will add, that the user is added some content and search here or not. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, will here first add is set. Here I'm going to check whether any request, get request comes here, and that is search. Okay, search we have given here, I think, query we have given here the query, any get query or not. And other than this, it must not be empty as well. Okay, and that not empty, then we will get inside this. Else, okay, then must get inside. And then here we will add here the search product, search product, or the query, I think is better. We will add here the dollar search. We can add the dollar search as well. Here we can simply add this query, so it's better because we're going to use it everywhere. uh, okay, so now first thing is we are going to modify this category details. Here we are going to see what comes here, and we're going to modify it accordingly. I'm going to check it once that what's coming. uh, so cat IDs, category details, as well as going to open this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to open the new URL like this. Okay, so now I'm going to undo, and here in else condition, here I'm going to add here few of the things like dollar category details. Here I'm going to pick the same variable here as well, category details. Here like in uh, here in category name, we are going to add here uh, that query itself, dollar search. Okay, and other than this, what we are having description as well. Or okay, so let's come to the products details. Okay, this one we will see later on. This one, this condition, this query. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste here, and then we are going to modify this one, get categories and subcategories products, get search products. Okay, here I'm going to add get search products, get search query products, and here we are going to modify product with brand images. We are going to add here this subquery instead of this one. We are going to add here the subquery. So I'm going to remove this one, and here we are going to add subquery where function, sorry, where function, then dollar query, and we are going to use this dollar search as well. Set this dollar search, and here we are going to add it like this. Okay, then we are going to add all search option like dollar query, where product name. Here we are going to add the like, percentage, dollar search product. Okay, dollar query, and then going to add this like. Okay, then few more we are going to add here, uh, like once again we will add dollar query, and here we are going to add or where product code. Once again we will add, then description, and we can also add for the product color as well. Okay, uh, here for first we will add the for product color and then description. After this we can also add the status as well, product status, that where status must be 1, and that's it. Finally, category products, dollar category products, get. Oh, fine. So we are going to see this one here. We are going to this one, condition is required, and this one here we are going to pass it like this, category details, and this URL is not required like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do, I'm going to open the main page, and here I'm going to search for some like shirt. I'm going to search query is shirt, and then here it is some issue because here it's not query, it's search here. Okay, so I'm going to put here the search search search. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it once again, and we'll see. So it is saying unexpected variable dollar query. Let's see why this issue is coming. Yes, because this one is not required. This dollar query is not required. It's just required for the first time. Okay, we must add it like this. Okay, so now it's fine. I'm going to refresh it once again, and here status. We need to see what is the issue exactly, and here we are just closing this one. After this semicolon will come. Okay, so let's refresh and see. uh, to a call to member function to array on null. Let's see what's happening here. Category details. So category details we're calling here. Okay, category details category. So it is saying to array on null. Call to member function to array on null. We are going to check that why this issue is coming. I'm going to open the category model, and here we are going to see the category details and what we are returning from there. Category details. Okay, so it's like it does not like this one, and it must be like this one. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, actually, so that is why. And now still it is showing issue. We are going to see what to do right now. Category name. Category name. Okay, we're going to see category details, fine, category details, and we are just sending this one there. Okay, so here other than this, other variables also required here. The name URL. Okay, so we need to see. We are going to check in blade file that what is required. Listing here. Okay, so we also require the breadcrumb. Other than this there is nothing. I'm going to check in products listing as well. I'll just product listing, nothing is required here. Okay, just the breadcrumbs. Okay, so yeah, for the breadcrumbs, I think just we are going to add this one breadcrumbs. Same we can add for now, and let's refresh once again. Still it is not correct. Border category 28th line it is going here. uh, let's see from where we are calling this one. mm, if category count greater than this one, we are going to see here echo test. Let's see where the issue is coming. And now I'm going here. No issue. I think issue is here only. Yes. So see what we can do here. I will just remove this one. I will also remove the category details. Okay, so just we are using the category products now. Okay, so it is coming, it is showing the error like this. But what we are going to do here, see, if we are going to add here the condition like if is set. What we can do, we have another thing we can do like this one. This condition we can add, sorry, this one we can add, and here we can add it like this. Okay, and inside this we can simply add this one here. If it is here, we can simply add it like this, else we can show it this one. I think this one is better. Let's see, then we will align it as well. See, still that one is coming category detail, it is saying. So no issue. We will see that where we are calling this function category details. We're going to see where we are calling. We are calling inside this. Okay, so this one we are not using, and after this we are not calling it again. Do we call here? No. Here also we are not calling it. I think it may be going inside this condition. I don't think that it is going inside this condition. Echo 1 die, and echo 2 die. Let's see. Yes, it is coming here, but I don't know that from where it picked this one, because here is no condition at all. Okay, it is directly going to the listing blade file. Then here also you can see that okay, so we need to open the filters blade file, maybe in filter. Yes, it's here, so that's why. Okay, so this filters completes filters blade file. We are not going to show this filters blade file. See, if there is the search query, then we are not going to show this one. So we will simply add it like this. We will just do it like this. Else, then we are going to show this. And if now the issue must not come, but we need to remove that one. Okay, so now we are going to see. Yeah, fine. Okay, so now it is coming in listing blade file, so that's not an issue. Because it is giving because it does not have any URL, it does not exist at all. So we will add that condition as well. URL does not exist. And this one, input type hidden. So this one we are going to hide it as well. So this condition we are going to add here as well. Okay, uh, here see, I'm going to add the condition here, like for completive we can hide this one, like if is set like this and else, then we are not going to show this one. Okay, and so let's check where it is. Here I'm going to do, and if let's see, still it is coming, it is showing sort products in 47th line. So we are not required to show this one. uh, the 7th line, sort products in 47th line, here it is. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will add this one in at the beginning of the for form, and this one I'm going to, else I'm going to add yeah, here I'm going to add this one like this, else, and now at the end of the form we are going to add it this one. Okay, so now we are going to see yes, and pagination, for the pagination as well. Okay, so like uh, we can also try one more condition, like if empty, then this one. Okay, if it will work, then I will modify this condition, this one, if empty, then this one. Okay, let's see if it will empty, if it will be fine. Yes, yeah, it seems to be fine. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply add this condition everywhere. This one I'm going to remove. I'm going to close the form, and I'm going to add this condition, not in form but straight away here I'm going to add, and will end up here. And here also I will just use this one. This one I'm going to remove like this. Okay, so let's see. Yes, now it's fine. and now we are required to show the results here. Right now we are not showing any results. Let's see, let's open a t-shirt. Okay, so here I'm going to add here like t-shirts, going to search for it, but it is not showing any result. So what I can do here, I will check in the query that whether it shows any results or not. Okay, so in this query we are going to see, uh, so we will do it like this. We need to identify that whether it shows any results or not, and I'm going to convert it to array as well. Let's see. So see, it does not show any results here. So what I can do here, I will first search in the products. Here I'm going to search in the products. Let's directly search here. Like we're going to search for something here like a t-shirt. So see here, no result is coming here. See, once again I'm going to uh, search here in product name once again, and this time I'm going to use this one, like this one, and now it's coming. Okay, so I'm going to use the same in search result as well, and then we're going to see here I'm going to search from here. Okay, t-shirt I'm going to put, and there are results are coming in this case. So I'm going to undo straight away, and we'll try to use that one. But here the results are coming, but here it is not showing. Okay, so now we need to see why it is not showing. uh, Category products, category here, list, in list, in form, Ajax products listing. Oh, so that condition must not be added here, so we have added, so that's why. So now this part here we are required to show all the condition, and here we will see that what it is showing here. So color, okay, uh, so actually it is showing that nothing is coming here, so we are required to use, I think, the another I'm going to open this one, and we'll check its pagination, where we are required to add the condition here. Instead of here we are required to add the condition there. Okay, if empty, then we are going to show this one pagination. Okay, here in pagination we will add here. Okay, now we are going to check here, refresh, and finally the products are coming. Okay, you can see the products are coming. Okay, so now I'm going to search for like red, search, and here you can see all red products are coming. Okay, and one more thing, if possible we can try here one more thing, like Ajax products listing. We can show, I think, also 4 products. Okay, but for that we need to create the new page. Okay, so no issue. Here we can show the all the category list as well. Okay, so that we can able to click any of the product, and in normal case let's see what we are showing. So this thing we can show at least, and for that what we can do, we can simply add this one. I can copy this complete, like I can copy this one, copy, and will paste there, or I will create new filters file, like file save as, and new filter file in which we will just show these categories. Okay, so uh, what is the best way? Okay, best way is filters underscore search. I'm going to create the new filters file. Okay, search like this, and then in that I will not use this URL, I will not use this one, I will not use this one, I will not use this one. I will just use here the categories, and will use this one as well, and other fields I am going to remove straight away. Everything I'm going to remove. So all these data I am going to remove. Okay, so here we are going to search once again. Click on red, and okay, so what we are required to do here in listing, like we are hiding this one here in else, we can simply show the another one. Here we can show, here we will give filters underscore search, like this. Now we are going to see this one. Now it looks perfect. Okay, found four results for red. Okay, so these are the four results. If I will search for the shirt, see t-shirt is coming because the shirt is also here. Okay, so like this we can able to do this search option. Okay, so if I am going to add this specific like red t-shirt, then only red t-shirt must come, only that specific product is coming. Okay, so the search is working fine now. And also add such kind of like all the urls you can able to add. Okay, so I think you can able to do all these kind of things at your end of your own. Okay, like you will simply add this url, and you can simply add it like this. Okay, so if you are going to click on this one, you can simply go to any page and you can click, and then it will go to the home page only. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so student, one more video we are going to work on. Okay, and we'll start working on the MongoDB with Laravel 11. So stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.